Just got this Immersion blender. It did come in 2 pieces. You just snap that bottom piece in right there at that seam there. Pretty simple to use. There's a power button there at the top. You can hold that button and do turbo mode, or there's an adjustable speed here at the top as well, just by turning the dial at the top. So pretty easy to use. Here's the blades at the bottom. We are gonna blend up some beans and make some refried beans. When you plug it in, it starts sliding up. I'm gonna put it on the lowest setting right now, 1, just to get a feel for it. All right, we're gonna blend this up. So I'm gonna up a little bit to like, I don't know, let's do 7. Let's do 7.
Oh yeah, that's nice.
You tell me when you want me to stop.
Yeah, I think a little more.
You can just use it till you get the consistency that you want.
Yeah, this is better than the blender.
I'm gonna try using the turbo mode, see what that's like. I feel like that's not really doing anything, so I don't know. I'm not sure how that's different is what I'm saying. I'm just gonna turn it up all the way on the top part here and see what happens.
Doesn't splatter at all.
Well, I think that's because the beans are so thick anyway.
I think that's close to, yeah, that's about how I want it, I think. Yeah, and then I'm gonna cook them a little more to thicken them up. But yeah, that works good.
So, turned our beans into refried beans with that Immersion blender.
Good deal.
If you'd like to purchase it, there's a link in the description. We get a small commission and it would really help us out. Hey, my name's Chris, and with my wife Abby's help, we're on a quest to review literally everything.
They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that could make sense.